going to plant some kangkong or some spinach. Let's eat, everyone. I'm gonna remove the JLo seed. Good morning, everyone! Good morning, Scarlett!
Morning, Scarlett!
Morning! Hoy! Morning! Let's have some breakfast. We have here some fish, some scrambled egg, and some beef loaf, which is Scarlett's favorite. Yay! Guys, we are here in the garden with Scarlett. It is lunchtime, so we have to cook lunch, and for today's lunch, we are going to cook fish with soup, and it is called inununan in Bisaya. So we are going to put some okra to our inununan because our okra has a lot of fruit already. I have here my knife. It is a lot easier if we use the knife. Scarlett, come here. Careful. Okay, thank you. And then actually these are really big ones already. If you make it too old, you cannot eat it anymore because it's too hard. Okay, there's one here. Uy! Come here. Ano to?
Ang gagmay, oy.
Ha?
Lami mo ng gagmay.
Kani?
Kisas dagko.
Kani?
Gilingod.
Ay. Baby. Oy, baby okra.
Done.
Done. Okay, so now we are going to get some ginger. So we have a lot of ginger here. So look, we have some ginger. The fruit is already out. So, ta-da. We need some scallions here. Ay, itong bibang nga. Mana, come on. Let's go.
Okay na, uy. Okay na.
So I am here in the back door again because I really wanted to clear this area over here, and early this morning Papa was working on it, which means my effort yesterday to cut the grass has been wasted. It was useless. He used a shovel to actually remove the grass, and this is how it looks now. I tried it myself earlier. It was really hard, and at the same time yesterday, like, this hand was so sore. I don't know why. I felt like I shocked my muscle, as if I do have a muscle. I know I don't have, but yeah, my muscle tissue was like, I don't know what you call it. I just had to ask Papa give me a massage. You guys saw it last night as well. But yeah, this is how it looks now. He is almost done with it. I'm gonna give you a closer look. So there, he has to remove all of the grass, and then here has been removed, And then here it's almost done as well. So yeah, and then after that I am going to clear this one up here as well so that I could see the little farm that we have there at the back. So now we are trying to remove the jealousy window that I have here in my room. So if you guys can see, I have two windows, and this time we are going to remove this one because we're going to transfer it to there. And yeah, this will become a wall now. I think my room will now be very dark because I only have this, but yeah, it's okay. They are almost finished with the second bedroom. All they have to do is to make the door as well as put this window over there. And my sister is cooking some sweet potato. There you go. Okay. I thought it's gonna splash. It's color purple. This is the final product. Let's eat, everyone. Bon appetit. Init pa? Init. We call this kamote Q in Bisaya. We call sweet potato kamote Q. Or I mean kamote. Yum. They were able to remove the jealousy already and the bracket. Is that what you call it? I'm not so sure, but yeah. As you guys can see, I won't have my window anymore. This is the last time that I'm gonna see my room with two windows. Oh my gosh. And over here, this is the second room. Ta-da! The window will be there, and they were able to put the molding, I don't know what is it, but this wood like on the sides of the door. Okay, they're now trying to put the wall. Aww. Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. Yes, I think it's Thursday today, and time check, it is 8:30 in the morning. Yesterday they did not work in the second bedroom because it's Mama Mary's birthday. And yeah, I just finished taking a shower, and my papa is actually working on the backyard as well, and he is asking for some water. So we're gonna go there and check what he is currently working on, and we're gonna bring him some water. Let's go. It is a beautiful day today. Well, the sun is not out yet. It's a bit gloomy, but I like this kind of weather. Not too hot, not raining as well. So this is what my papa is currently working on. We are adding a few more rows so that we could plant more. I'm going to plant some kangkong or some spinach. It's a different kind of spinach. It's water spinach, I think. Here we go. Okay. Ta-da! We have here hydrogen peroxide. We're going to clean Scarlett. Look, she got wounded yesterday. Look, and today she she got wounded as well. Tubig gani? Tubig? Oh, water. No. You're so wise. I told her it's water, and she said, "Can you drink it?" Bayot. Okay, ready? Yes. Di ato butangan ani para di mabasa. Oh. Tubig. Mama. Sakit ay. Akong gibutang ang hydrogen peroxide. Di mo gay sakit. Tuko ko. Sakit ay. Hindi na sakit? Very good. Alright, everyone, let's have some breakfast. I do have here fish tinola, dried fish with tomatoes. And here I have a lot of seaweeds. So yeah, it's heavy breakfast today. Normally it's like this when my sister and fam are here because this is typically the Filipino breakfast. But normally if I'm just alone here, I'm just gonna be eating like bread and milk. But since this has been prepared, it looks so good, so I'm just gonna eat. In the porch area, and I'm gonna show you guys something. So I have ordered this one. This is called Interlink, and we're gonna be using this to make this porch a garage. A lot of you are saying this is not a garage, but it is a porch. So we are going to close this one up using this one. So this is how it looks. As you guys can see, this is what we normally use here in the Philippines. If you want to fence your house or your property, whatever, this is the cheapest way of doing it instead of making like a cement wall. The size of this is 3 by 10 feet. So we are now starting to put the interlink. It's gonna go all the way there. What's that? How much? 4 pesos? What are you gonna buy? Finished on this side, as you guys can see, and then we are working on this side here. Papa and my sis is working on it. So now we have here the frame for the door. We are using S4S kind of wood to make the door. So that's how it looks. The door is actually not too small, I would say. So time check, it is already 12 p.m. so it's time for lunch. We got here some pork blood. So this is how it looks. This is in a soup kind of dish. I don't actually eat this one, but they do. So I'm just gonna transfer this to a bowl. And today we're not having rice, but instead we're having corn rice. If you guys try that, let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna show it to you in a few. Hold on, let me just transfer these ones. Lunch for today. So first we have here some fish soup or tinolang isda, and then here this is what we call as corn rice. As you guys can see, that's how it looks. Let me know if you have tried this one already. And then here we have a pork's blood, and then this is seaweed from this morning. So bon appetit, everybody. Hello people, as you guys can see at the back, it is raining over there. Oh my gosh, it's coming here already. I know you guys love the rain shots, so I'm gonna give that to you in this vlog again. I felt like I have been showing you guys a lot of rain because it's raining here every day. It's rainy season in the Philippines, alright? Anyway, so we are here in the carport area because we are going to paint or put varnish to my bamboo sofa. So me and my sister are gonna be doing it. What are you doing? Are you cleaning my car? Wow, very cute cleaner. So this is the bamboo chair that I do have, and I got this a few months ago, I think last year, I'm not so sure, but yeah, as you guys can see, the varnish that they put in this bamboo have faded, so we have to put another one so that it will look shiny again. Guys, so
hello guys, my dad.
alright guys, so some of you are a bit confused as to how did I add a second bedroom here in my simple province house. So I am going to explain it to you again. I am converting half of my terrace into my second bedroom. Now my terrace is actually 8 by 20 feet, so yes, it is a bit wide, and I cut it in half, so now my second bedroom is 8 by 10 feet. I'm going to show you how it looks now. So here we go. Okay, so this is now my second bedroom, and as you guys can see, we already have the door installed just now, and you know, we still have to of course paint this and of course put a doorknob as well. But come on, I'm gonna show you how does it look inside already. It is a bit dark, and by the way, over here you guys can see that we now have the window installed as well. So here we also have to like put some hardy flags as well. So yeah, this is how it looks, as you guys can see. This is 8 by 10 feet, and I think this is an okay size for 3 people, 3 adults to sleep in here. And normally the people that are going to sleep here is my sister and fam, or my dad, or maybe a few of my friends if they're going to visit me here in the countryside. So yeah, this is how it looks, and currently my brother-in-law is in my bedroom right now. He is doing some skin coating for my window before. So yeah, and now what they're going to do is to skim coat everything, and then we are gonna proceed to painting, which is my favorite part because finally we are so close to finishing this second bedroom. And yeah, I am super excited, as you guys know, and I am gonna be purchasing a few stuff, decor, some bed frame, some foam as well to put here in the second bedroom. And yeah, this is the current update for my second bedroom.